Hi guys, welcome to Bunda Mulia School. Today, I will introduce you to our new online learning system. Hi sir, before we enter the school, we need to sanitize our hands. And also, we need to check our body temperature. Wow! Do you guys miss this school? It's been a month. Let's go. Hi sir. No touching. Hi Miss Natalie. This is our lovely receptionist, Miss Natalie. Say hi to Miss Natalie. First, let's check our little one, the BMS ECE department. Hi Miss Christine. Wow, look at Miss Christine. She is reading a book. It's storytelling time. We are now heading to primary section. Hi Miss MJ. Look at that! A big clock! Our year 1 students are currently learning about T-I-M-E. Time! Let's use this lift. Oh, hi sir. Whoa, look at that. What is that? Oh, we need to keep our distance.
Now we are inside the BMS library. Hi, Mr. Kevin. He is teaching history for middle school. And now he is teaching online using a Zoom application. Wow, let's check this art room. It looks interesting.
Hi Mr. Sucha. What an amazing artwork. He is one of our art teacher and now he's teaching art online. That's incredible! See, no matter where you are, you can still do your masterpiece. This room looks interesting. Shh! Look, Miss Anggun are doing some cool experiment. Hi, Miss. Wow, it's a chemical experiment. Fire! 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 Guys, please do not try this at home. It's a wrap! BMS new online learning system is so amazing! Come and join us. Be part of BMS community. For more information, please contact our marketing officer.